St. John's with its home opener, the Blue Jays remaining undefeated, 3-0. No trouble with Coldwater. Here's Jeff Lanzi with highlights from Delphos.
The usual big crowd in Delphos tonight, the most popular in attendance, you guessed it, jolly old St. Nick. Second quarter action, both teams trying to establish some sort of momentum. Doug Etkin with the baseline jumper here. He gets the kind bounce. St. John's had a 6-point lead. Coldwater, 2-2 entering the game, relied on some long-distance bombs to stay close. Brian Harlemart for 3. Blue Jays, though, led 39-34 at the half. The second half, well, it belonged all to St. John's and one Mike Williams. Williams busted 5 3-pointers en route to a game-high 33 points, getting the bucket here, plus the foul. Williams was just as effective finding the open man. Here, the senior forward dishes it off to Big Nate Lucas. The hoop, the foul, and the Blue Jays roll to their 3rd win of the year, 95-75 the final. In Delphos, Jeff Lanzi reporting for TV 35 Sports.
Career one number